Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of attention-grabbing media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
Raise your hand if you feel that what I'm doing, you're unable to do because it's too difficult. Raise your hand. Good, right? See the simplicity of it? Very, very good. Okay, good. Go back to the slides over here. So let's get some artwork created for our channel. Now, is that possible? We can also do artwork here. Simplicity of it. Is that real? Okay, a banner for the channel. A banner. For this, you need to be an experienced graphic designer. Not quite. Let's head back over to ChatGPT. Okay, so here's the prompt. This is what I'm going to do. You see how I have one conversation that keeps on going? With the above channel name and the purpose of my channel in mind, create a landscape image I can use for my YouTube channel banner. Make sure to follow the design guidelines below. Design, place all text and logos within the safe area to ensure visibility on all devices. Center the channel name and any other text in the safe area, 1546 by 423 pixels centered. Use professional clean design elements and brand colors. Keep the text large and bold for readability. Is it going to do a good job? Now, is this going to replace graphic designers? I'll be honest. I have a big organization. We have some people that are indispensable. There are some graphic designers that are geniuses. This thing is not going to replace them. It's not going to replace them. But you know what it will do? It will eliminate your excuses and the reasons why you cannot get the job done. I did not start with any of this. I had to push through and reinvent, push through so I can get the job that I wanted done. I had to find money and capital to hire people that in most cases I couldn't afford. You don't have access to something that I wish I would have had access to 10 years ago, that I would have helped me get there faster if I had it. You have access to it right now. Now I'm using it to go to my next level because there's always levels. When I get to this level, it's always like, oh my God, I thought I was done. Look at all those levels above me, right? And then you keep on going to the next one and then you realize there's more levels and so on, right? But if I was going back 10 years in time, I would be diving all over this. It's not going to replace my genius editors and graphic designers because they are amazing. But the ones that don't use it to get inspiration and to get things rolling are going to become more and more relevant because these tools get you going. They get you going and then you tweak and perfect. So let's go ahead and grab that prompt right here and let's see what it does with it. The ability to create with it at this speed is pretty incredible, right? So how about if I take something like this and I tweak it? Now, by the way, I could tweak it, right? I can actually get this thing. It has some typos over here. I could tweak it. ChatGPT allows you right now to play around with it. You can actually go ahead and edit the images and say, this is something that you can do. This is a new feature, by the way, that you can actually circle on your phones if you have the app or on the computer, on the browser. You're going to be able to circle the words that have a typo. This is perfect right here. Manuel Suarez. Marketing Magic is perfect, but it has a little typo over here, right? This is unnecessary. I will be able to go, and I'm not going to start opening up that can of worms, but I can actually go over here and select this thing over here and say, eliminate that and give it to me again, right? So you'll be able to tweak it. But here's a very, very simple use case. You work with it and you have it give you variations of it until you find something that you feel, I like that. And then you give it to a designer and knows what to do with it now. And say, because designers, they need direction. You cannot say, give me the most amazing banner ever up to my standards. That doesn't really work. You have to be able to talk to your designers. So when it comes to making logos, by the way, we're not talking about logos today. You can make logos with it or banners or images or graphics. You can create what you like because at the end of the day, it's about you. It has to be something that you like. And then you can use it to help me create more of this stuff right here. Okay. This is for a banner. Okay. This is for a banner. So it gives you an idea. Now, on these things, on the phone, the desktop is a new thing. On the phone, it allows you, or on the browser, it's going to have a big round thing over here that you can go and select what you want to change. And you can say, change this from a flower to a tree or something like that. And it will do things like that for you. Okay? So this is how you get your initial concept of a banner rolling. If you absolutely hate that, you can say, give me 3 more variations. Let me see this one. So, okay. So now he has a typo over here. And he has a guy that is not me, that's for sure. Right? But you can see, right? You see the potential of playing with this. And it's only going to get better. These are updated capabilities that will continue to improve every single day.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.